we evolved the idea that the job of the management is to take care of you, mostly you, Tammy. I mean, especially you. The job of the management is to take care of you so that you can take care of others. So think about that when you're doing your job. If you're stressed, if you're not getting what you need, if you feel like you can't, you're dealing with issues and it's hard for you, then your managers are not doing their job. It's really easy as healthcare providers to get caught up in the martyr complex. Yeah, my work environment really sucks, but I'm great. It's kind of like the guy on the playground playing hero ball who, has the best shot and hogs the ball and makes a lot of shots but loses every game, right? You can only be successful as a team. And we're really, I am always impressed at how team-oriented Phoenix Spine is. If the team is not good, no matter how good the surgeon is, it doesn't, you're going to get low reviews. By the way, Dr. Moore has a perfect 5-star average review on Facebook and every other media. So you guys must be doing something right. So good job for you. Good job for you. I'm never going to be around people who aren't doing what I think is the best work. And there's not one doctor in our staff who's active who I would not let operate on me. There isn't one. I mean, we really have excellent docs. What is our number one value? Safety. Safety is number one. So if a patient said, I'm insisting on having my surgery outside on Pecos Road at noon, would we do it? No, because it's not safe. Even though that's what they're asking for and they would be more satisfied if we did it, it's not safe, so it's off the table. Legal. It's got to be legal. We are in an extremely regulated environment. And believe it or not, it's super easy to run off the rails. It's crazy. Nuclear power is slightly more regulated than us, not much. Very slightly more regulated than us. So super important that we remain legal. So safety is number one. It's got to be legal. Patient satisfaction. Next. Efficient. After that, we want to do things, no money, no mission. We have to make a living here, we have to raise funds, so we've got to do things in a way that's efficient for us and we can't waste. In order to be self-sustaining and stable over time, we have to be efficient. All right, that's it.
I haven't met you before.
I know. And it's freaking me out. Justin, do you know? No, I'm just kidding. I know. No, you're legit. But do you have any ID?
Diana.
No, I'm just kidding. I'm not.